Tell us your name and your role on this project.
Nick Manley, I am the lead for practice on the MA. What was terrific about this was from setup to read through to setting up yesterday to shooting, massive improvement everyone across just 3 or 4 days. So I thought it was terrific, and it was really positive attitude across the group, which I thought it was really nice to see.
This sort of thing that the MA course offers is what I would consider to be a really important training ground, because you get to work with not only the talented lecturers you have here at the university, but obviously outside crew members like Ed and experienced AD and come in and work with you all. And for actors like us, who obviously work predominantly in the industry on big TV and big film, it's nice for us to come and see how you guys are doing. And obviously every day's a school day for us, so we're always learning, and it's nice to learn with you. And it's always it's inspirational, really, because we get to see, because you want to be here, you want to do it, and so we get to see you sort of flourish.
I think as well, because here everybody's training is so thorough, by the time you get to set, everyone's able to relax, so you feel like you can actually relax in the knowledge that everyone around you knows what they're doing. And that's important. They've got the skill, so then they can actually just enjoy it. And if everyone can enjoy it, because there's no kind of tense atmosphere, like nothing like that. So that's what I like.
Studying film here is a really big thing for me, because here you learn everything, from camera, sounds, editing, and pretty much everything. And you try to master everything here. And with the classmates that I have here, they're really supportive classmates, really friendly as well, and he's keen to help you anytime you need help. And even the lecturer as well, really nice. And I really like, and apart from the weather.
You've got to want to be here. That's the most important thing. You've got to want to come here and study and learn and enjoy yourself. That's super important. Don't come here if you're not particularly bothered. Everyone that I've seen on the MA has got an attitude of like they want to be here, they want to learn, they want to have fun.